subscribed to our channel, please subscribe today. Like, follow and share for more such videos.
Hi all, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we will try to see how to solve the statement problems or the word problems as such. Okay, so whenever a word problem is given, it should be broken down into steps as such, so that we can analyze the question and also we can solve it step by step. Okay, so here we have created a sort of a pattern or a sort of a chart over here which will make things more easier. Let us see how to go about. So if we have a problem, so I have written the word problem as given. A factory produces 843 bottles every month. How many bottles it produce? 843 bottles it is producing. I'm just underlining the numbers. Okay, 843 bottles it produces every month. Among the bottles that is being produced, it sends 197 bottles to the town market in the same city. It sends around 186 bottles to other states, markets in other states. It sends around 183 to the markets in other countries. Okay, so it is sending the bottles within the same place with that state that's in the town itself. It sends a couple of bottles to other states and a few to the other countries. Now, what are we supposed to find out? How many bottles are left in the factory? This is what we are supposed to find out. So how will we do? First thing is, it becomes more easier when we write down what do we know, right? So these are called as the statements that we write, correct? That's what's called as the statement problems. So what do we know so far? Number of bottles produced in the month, 843. Number of bottles sent to the town market, 197. Number of bottles sent to the markets in other states, 186. Number of bottles sent to the markets in other countries, 183. Now, the next one says, what do you need to find? What do we need to find? How many bottles are left in the factory? This is what we are supposed to find out, right? Now it comes to the solution. How will you find it? So how we are supposed to go about in giving the solutions, right? So in such problem, what we're supposed to do is, I have the total number of bottles that is being produced, and also some bottles are being given up, and we're supposed to find out what is left out. So in such cases, I need to add the bottles that have been sent across. So I'm going to add the bottles, that are being sent out of the factory, which is nothing but 197 plus 186 plus 183. Okay, once I get this answer, I am supposed to subtract the sum. I'm supposed to subtract this sum from the total number of bottles that are produced. So what I'm going to do now, subtract the above sum from the total bottles produced, right? So this is what I'm going to do. So this will be like step 1. So this will be step 1, and this will be step 2, right? Now how are you going to solve the problem? You have to write a number statement. The same thing, the steps what we wrote, the same steps has to be shown as a number statement as such. So what will be the number statements? What is the total that was being produced? 843. So I'm going to write over here 843 minus, open the bracket, write 197 plus 186 plus 183. That is equal to 843 minus, when I add all these three numbers, it sums up to 566. Now subtract this both. The answer will be 277. Right? Therefore, number of bottles left in the factory, okay, I don't have place, I'm just writing here, is equal to 277. Right? There's one more step, last step. So this can be done for a few sums, for maybe not for all the sums as such, but just because I'm showing you, even for this sum also we can check your answer. How do I check the answer? I have to add the number of bottles sent away from the factory, which is nothing but 566. The number of bottles that is left in the factory, which is nothing but 277. Add these both, my sum should come as 843. If this is my sum, I'm getting back the answer, then the entire procedure that we have done so far is correct, is accurate. This is how I have to check my answer. So hope everyone is understood how to solve a word problem or a statement problem step by step. I'm just scrolling back once again for you all to go through the same.